I'm Brittany with WTI, and there's so many different types of spatulas in the world, and they don't always work for everything you're trying to do. So I am really glad I found this KitchenAid slotted turner. This is why I like this spatula is it is so strong. It is very difficult to bend, which is great because if you are trying to flip something that has weight to it, you don't want something that's just going to go limp as you're trying to turn it, because then it's going to break. Another feature I really like that makes this work, because a lot of times when you do have a thick, sturdy spatula, the lip of the spatula is also thick, which then makes it difficult to scoop underneath items. But this, you can see it has a gradual slant that goes to a point, and it works so well sliding under just about anything that you're trying to flip. You can see it's a very good size, covering a good surface of what you're trying to flip. We have lots of spatulas and they're useful in different ways, but this is really my go-to for when I am making something heavier, like pancakes. So this has been such a great find for me. I think anyone that spends any time in the kitchen really needs to make sure they have a reliable, high quality spatula at their disposal. But that's my point of view.